Our Rydell GM Service Center offers a full range of services to meet all your vehicle's needs, from routine maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations to advanced diagnostics and repairs. And with our GM certified technicians, you can trust that your vehicle is in the hands of an expert trained specifically for your vehicle. We service more than GM vehicles. We proudly service all makes and models, no matter what you drive. Our team has the expertise and tools to handle your vehicle with care and precision. Getting here is easy. To reach the Rydell GM Service Center from South Washington Street, head west on 28th Avenue South. Turn right into the GM service parking lot and pull up to either door 5 or 6 and we'll automatically open for you. Once the door opens, you can drive in and you'll be greeted by one of our friendly staff members. Thank you for choosing Rydell GM Service Center. With our GM certified technicians, there is expertise in all makes and models and comprehensive services. We're here to keep your vehicle in top condition for years to come. Visit us anytime at the Rydell GM Service Center. We look forward to servicing you.
Real life, real relationships, real Rydell.